Can negative reviews work for us? Do you think that is possible? Let's discuss that today. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about negative reviews. Do you remember the first time when you received your negative reviews? I clearly remember mine. I was on a vacation. I woke up in the morning, I was just checking my phone. I saw there was a review on my clinic. I was excited. I went ahead, I read the review. It was a negative review. This was my first experience with a negative review. And I got so emotional. I got angry, I was upset, I was sad and unhappy. I wanted to respond and say that it is wrong. I, I was having mixed emotions. I didn't know how to express. And as like the clinic is like our baby, we are very overprotective about it. So whenever somebody says something negative about it, we are very much unhappy because we put so much into it, we put so much hard work into it, we feel very low, or we take it very personally. So we become very emotional about it. And that was my kind of response when I received my first negative feedback. And then I thought, should I respond to it? I thought my patients know that I'm not like this. My clinic is not like this. Then why should I respond? I should not respond to those negative reviews and attract more attention to it. I'll just ignore it. I thought like that. Do you think I was right? I was completely wrong. Totally wrong. Because if you want that your negative review should work for you, then the primary thing to do is to reply to those negative reviews. Definitely, there are other things also, but the first thing to do is to reply to those negative reviews. That is very much important. I'll tell you three reasons today why we should respond to a negative review. First reason, our feedbacks or reviews are mostly read by our new patient and not by our old patient, because the old patient already had an experience with us. They don't have to explore us more, but it is our new patient who will be searching us online, who will read all the reviews and then decide whether they should visit us or not. So, all the reviews, everything is targeted towards the new patient and not our old patient. And the new patient who is reading it, they will create an impression about us by reading those reviews. So we have to answer them to have a good image in their mind. Second reason, a negative review will only stay negative forever if you ignore it and never address it. Imagine from the new patient point of view, when they are reading the negative review, they'll create an impression about you in their mind. If we have not responded, it will be totally based on what the patient has written. But if you feel that there is some misunderstanding between you and your patient, maybe it is a misunderstanding between your clinic staff and the patient, then politely answer them, politely address those problems, and clarify those misunderstandings. Then the patient, the new patient who is there, they will feel that maybe this is just one of the situations where some misunderstanding happened between the patient and the clinic, because everybody knows that every clinic or every other thing will not have 100% review. They'll have one or two negative reviews and they are okay with it, but they should feel that it is just one of the situations. So it is important for us to address those things. If we don't address it, they don't know whether it is right or wrong. So it is our duty to express ourselves and they need to know the answer. Third reason, sometimes the negative feedback given by the patient is a actual genuine feedback, and it may be felt by different patients, but only this patient has expressed it. We should give it very much importance, because ultimately, until our patients are happy, we won't succeed in our clinic. Our prime motto should be that every patient should be happy and have a great experience in our clinic. In order to do that, any feedback, any genuine feedback we are getting, we should act on it. And if you feel this, that you got a genuine negative feedback, take actions towards it. It's okay. And it's not always necessary that if you get a negative feedback you have to respond to it and say no, it is wrong. It's okay if imagine somebody has written that the treatment was good but the bathroom was dirty. Then you can respond them by saying thank you for your feedback and sorry you had this experience, but we have taken the following actions to correct it. They'll feel happy. So in by responding like that, the patient feels that okay, because they responded, the clinic has taken some action towards it. It can happen that that unhappy patient will be converted to a happy patient. And also, the new patient who is reading it, they will feel that the clinic is very much responsible and they value patients' feedback and they take it seriously and act on it. So in this case where they have told that the bathroom was dirty, you can respond them by saying either you have hired somebody who cleans the toilet every 1 hour or after every use, anything, something like that. Basically, we are telling them that we have taken some action to solve their problem. So imagine it as an opportunity to prove that you care about your patients and you act on it. These are the three reasons why we should respond to a negative review. First, it is for the new patient. Second, it is we have to tell them our side of the story. Third reason, if it's a genuine negative feedback, we should take action to it and reply them that we have taken some action for their complaint. So these are the three reasons. And if you want your negative review to work for you, then always remember to reply to those negative reviews. And there is a lot more thing to this, like how to respond, which words to use, which tone to how, what should be the tone, everything. But we will be covering that in our future videos. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us and send us a hi on this WhatsApp number. We will add you to our broadcast list. You'll be the first person to receive for any free content which we release online. And always remember to save our number or else you won't be receiving the broadcast messages. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.